So this is our second instrument, and it's a Rainstick, and we made it out of tape, and we used animal print tape because our poem is jungle themed. So we wanted it to tie in with it. And then inside is coins, and it's made out of a paper towel roll. And for this instrument, we wanted to focus on changing the loudness or amplitude of it. So
so since this is a rhythmic instrument, you mainly change the loudness. So to make it really loud, you would be really forceful and hard and strong. And if you wanted it to be really quiet, you would just barely, softly sort of move it like this. And then there are variations in between if you wanted more like this type. So, yeah.